Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, also you have to make this simple weekly planner in Google Sheet. In each day of the week, we will have space for 3 daily tasks and checkboxes so we can check on it when it's done. At the bottom of the sheet, we will make a simple calendar to track our important dates of the month. I will also show you step by step how to animate the habit tracker progress. Let's get started. First, I want to resize all the columns to 40. Insert extra columns to fill up the sheet. And for the image backgrounds, I use Leonardo.Ai. They give you some free credits to use, and it should be enough for our planner today. You can change the prompt and model until you get a picture that you like. I will download this image. Let's crop the picture so it fits in our template. Now insert the image over the cells. I'm going to add the title here. Change the font. And color to dark green. Let's change the background colors. Now make a daily task. It depends on whether you want the week to start with Monday or Sunday. You can change it here. You can add an emoji here. Adding dotted lines here. Insert some checkboxes. We can change the color of the checkboxes too. Now let's copy the whole thing. Paste it here. Finish the rest for the week. And changing the date. Now I want to add the habit tracker here. I will track the habit for 5 days per week. So we will select 5 columns. Insert checkboxes. Let's add some habits. Now moving on to making the calendar. This part is easy, so I will fast forward it. It's time to decorate our sheet. In Giphy, copy the link of your selection. Insert image and select the link and paste your link here. Now resize your GIF. I will add some more to make the sheet look better. You can use the search bar to looking for more GIFs. Now I'm going to show you how to animate the image for the habit tracker progress. Let's add the second sheet. Make sure your size is similar to this one. Let's merge these cells. I'm leaving 4 spots for 4 different images. Each image represents 25, 50, 75, and 100%. For the image, I will use free pick. You can crop each image after you downloading it. And remove the background with the magic tool. Make sure you select invert selection. Follow the same step for the rest. Make sure you select the image in cell. Now you can insert all your image into the second sheet. You can change the background color so we have a better view of our image. We need to calculate the total checkboxes and the total check-it checkbox. I'm using some array formula and if to calculate the total. Now for the total checkboxes. Make sure you change these to be 54, otherwise the formula is not going to work. Now we need to calculate the percentage of checkboxes. Let's see if it works. Perfect. And I think we can move the total checkboxes here. Now we have a better view of our habit tracker progress. And here's the formula for the anime progress. I use the if function to check whether the percentage is less than or equal to 25%. The image 1 will appear. If it's less than or equal to 50%, the second image. And for less than or equal to 75%, the third image. Otherwise, the fourth image will appear. You can add more image for a smoother animation if you like. Now let's check it out. Yep, it's worked. I hope you found this tutorial is helpful. Be sure to check out my channel for more templates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification. I'll see you in the next video.